Do you work in education or manage communication for groups? If so, knowing how to use BCC or blind carbon copy is crucial for protecting privacy and keeping things professional. Welcome to ARAM Tutorials. In this video, I'll explain what BCC is and why it's important, especially in education and professional settings, and guide you step by step on how to use it in any email client. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy. It's a feature in email that allows you to send the same message to multiple people without them seeing each other's email addresses. This is perfect for sending group updates to students, parents, or colleagues, protecting email privacy in large email lists, or reducing unnecessary replies, especially in professional or educational settings. Now let me show you how to use BCC. Open your email client, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo, and start a new message. In the To field, you can either leave it blank, add a single recipient, or add your own email address if the email is going to a group. Next, click on the BCC option. Depending on your email client, you might need to click something like CC/BCC to reveal it. Enter the email addresses of everyone you want to send the message to in the BCC field. Remember, these addresses will remain hidden from each other. Compose your message, click Send, and you're done. Everyone receives the email but only sees their own email address. For example, as a teacher, you can use BCC to email parents about class updates without sharing their contact information. Or, if you are an administrator, you can send school-wide announcements while respecting everyone's privacy. And that's how you use BCC effectively, perfect for educational, professional, or personal use.